Good afternoon. My name is Lionel Brown II, and we did our project on volcanoes. Right here we have a three-dimensional version of a volcano. We got magma, then you have the bottom layer, which is the thermosphere, and then you have plate motion movement. You also, to the right, you have extinct volcano, and then you have an active volcano right here. And you see that's pretty much the three-dimensional version. And now Walter's gonna start speaking.
Well, hi, my name is Latasha Wynn. I'm a senior in Garrett. This is Earth Science. Our project is on volcanoes. And I had section 7.1, and Satima had section 7.2, but since she's not here, I'm going to be reading her section. This is just a brief summary of what our two-page report is. Chapter 7 is about volcanoes. It has 3 sections. Section 1 is mainly about volcanism, major volcanic zones, subduction zones, mid-ocean ridges, and heat hotspots. Some key terms are magma, which is liquid rock, volcanism, which is the outward movement of magma towards the Earth's surface. Vents are openings through which some magma comes up through. Hotspots are the areas where magma works its way to the Earth's surface. Section 7.2. Chapter 7, Section 2 is mainly about volcanic eruptions, the different volcanic rock fragments, and volcanic features. There are 2 types of lava, mafic and felsic. Mafic is dark, and felsic is light colored. Volcanoes erupt in 2 ways, which mafic lava flowing quietly and with felsic lava boiling out, explosively sending materials into the air.
My name is Jordan Smalls, and I'm a junior here at Garrett, and I did section 7.3. 7.3 is about extraterrestrial volcanism, and the differences between volcanism on the Earth, Mars, and Earth's moon. Olympus Mons is one of the biggest volcanoes in the solar system and is located on Mars. The Earth's moon is covered with ballistic lava flows, and they think that shows past volcanism on the Earth's moon. And Io is one of the many moons of Jupiter. Io's volcanoes eject several thousand metric tons of materials each second.
Hi, my name is Walter White. We're doing chapter 7. I'm going to start the introduction of different types of volcanoes and where they are located. Lava Fault is located immediately north of the British Columbia, Alaska border. Its volcanic features is a cylinder cone, and the sea cone is the only volcano in Canada from which legend has been verified. Its volcano's feature is a polygraphic cylinder cone.
Mount Churchill is a glacier-covered volcano. Its type of volcanic feature is a shield cone.
My name is Webster. I'm a senior. I did Cyclone, Limestone. It's a small tree-covered volcano. Its volcano feature is a polygraphic silicone.
I did Mount Baker. It is a large, active, andesitic stratovolcano. It rises to an elevation of 3,285 meters in the Cascade Range of northern Washington state.
The Wales Great Clearwater has a cinder cone as its volcanic feature.
Okay, now we're going to do a game sort of like the weakest link. It has 3 rounds in the final round. The first 3 rounds are about chapters 1 through 6 in your textbook, so I hope you was paying attention. And the little cards that we give y'all with the different numbers 1 through 4, 1 through 5. At the end of each round, you're going to vote a team off, and the two teams at the end will compete in the final round. And Nina is going to do the first 3 rounds. No, there will be no textbook. The questions are easy though. The questions are easy, so y'all need to sit inside one of the 4 things with the screen thing. Hey, yes, we can just sit here with Kevin because she's not right here. Y'all ready?
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please do not press the button. No.
Now we can start with round 1. The first question is, what are the 4 main branches of earth science?
What you say?
4.
I got you. Oceanography, astronomy, astrology.
Next. Give us the rules.
Oceanography, meteorology, geology, and astrology.
Wrong.
Hey, right.
Oceanography,
Astronomy
astronomy, meteorology,
and geology.
and geology.
Yes, that's
The boy wrong. Boy wrong. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Study.
study of Earth.
The study of Earth atmospheres.
The study of the Earth's atmosphere.
Geology?
Wrong.
Oh.
Meteorology.
No, boy.
The science of mapping is
Yes.
Cartography?
Yes.
Cartography.
That's 2.
Mercator, genomic, and conic art.
Yeah.
Hey, boy. I take it. I know. Good. Map projections?
Got it.
She hearing you.
German scientists who proposed a hypothesis is called continental drift.
Right. Azimuth? Wagner?
You got it.
Man, get out. We put her off, y'all. We the strongest plane. Together with y'all. Hey, you can come on. We said it.
2 plates that grind.
Yeah!
Come on now. 2 plates that grind past each other.
2 places?
Plates.
Please, that's the
Baby, you roll.
Boundaries or something?
No, ma'am.
transform.
Got it.
Okay.
Tell them I'm
So you
smart.
got all that right? We got her to worry about it.
The point from the Earth's farthest.
The farthest point away from the Earth.
Oh, I know now.
Yes.
The farthest point away from the Earth. Spectrum.
Equator.
Yes, epicenter. No.
Oh.
I said equator.
Well, since no one has gotten it, it was after G.
Oh.
This round, oh no,
Who we gonna vote on?
yes, please vote on
You
something.
voting on one?
No, hold the paper out.
What the groups are now?
That's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Y'all gotta let us right. I'm gonna pick. We get the vote. We voting on.
Oh, y'all voting on
We voting on 2.
We the strongest
We voting on 2. That's how they do when we can
Come on.
say
Even before yours out. But 2 babies that y'all got to scratch you out.
That is play.
Take it out.
That is play.
Okay, let's round 2. Let's go.
Wow.
That's round 2. Round 2.